Hey y'all, it's Emily with Flying Sparks Garage. We just dropped the engine back in my GTO named Roxy, and I am wiping down my super gross, dirty wiring harness. I mean, this thing has like grease gunked on it so much. So I grabbed one of my wipes from GUNK, and these guys just work so well to get stuff off. The degreasing properties are quite impressive. And I just wanted to show y'all, because this car has so much junk. It's got a lot of buildup from past oil leaks, because hot rods, you know, almost good as new. And I'll need them on my hands afterwards. It is so nice though, because when you're working on stuff in the shop and you don't want to run in and wash your hands every 10 minutes, you can just grab a wipe and they work really, really well. These things come in handy all over the car.